GK quiz about India. The national animal of India is A. Cow, B. Tiger, C. Elephant. The national animal of India is tiger. The national bird of India is A. Parrot, B. Pigeon, C. Peacock. The national bird of India is peacock. The national fruit of India is A. Mango, B. Guava, C. Apple. The national fruit of India is mango. The national tree of India is A. Ashoka, B. Banyan, C. Apple. The national tree of India is banyan tree. The national flower of India is A. Rose, B. Lily, C. Lotus. The national flower of India is lotus. The national anthem of India is A. Jan Gan Man, B. Vande Mataram, C. सारे जहां से अच्छा. The national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man. The national song of India is A. Jan Gan Man, B. Vande Mataram, C. सारे जहां से अच्छा. The national song of India is Vande Mataram. Jan Gan Man was originally composed in A. Hindi, B. Gujarati, C. Bengali. Jan Gan Man was originally composed in Bengali. National anthem of India was written by A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Muhammad Iqbal. National anthem of India was written by Rabindranath Tagore. National song of India was written by A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Muhammad Iqbal. National song of India was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. How many Asiatic lions are there in the state emblem of India? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5. There are 4 Asiatic lions in the state emblem of India. National aquatic animal of India is shark, blue whale, Ganges river dolphin. National aquatic animal of India is Ganges river dolphin. National river of India is A. Ganga, B. Chenab, C. Brahmaputra. National river of India is Ganga. National reptile of India is A. Anaconda, B. King cobra, C. Python. National reptile of India is king cobra. National currency of India is A. Indian rupee, B. Dollar, C. Yen. National currency of India is Indian rupee. National heritage animal of India is A. Asiatic lion, B. Elephant, C. Asiatic black bear. National heritage animal of India is elephant. National vegetable of India is A. bitter gourd, B. potato, C. pumpkin. National vegetable of India is pumpkin. National game of India is A. hockey, B. kabaddi, C. cricket. National game of India is hockey. Name of national flag in India is A. pentacolor, B. tricolor, Tiranga, C. flag. Name of national flag in India is tricolor, Tiranga. National calendar of India is A. Vikram Samvat calendar, B. Saka calendar, C. Gregorian calendar. National calendar of India is Saka calendar. National emblem of India is A. State emblem of India, lion capital of Ashoka, B. The bald eagle, C. Water lily. National emblem of India is State emblem of India, lion capital of Ashoka. Ratio of width of our national flag to its length is A. 3:4, B. 2:3, C. 1:2. Ratio of width of our national flag to its length is 2:3. National monument of India is A. Charminar, B. Red Fort, C. India Gate. National monument of India is India Gate. When the national flag of India was adopted by the Constitution Assembly, A. July 22, 1947, B. August 16, 1947, C. January 26, 1952. The national flag of India was adopted by Constitution Assembly on July 22, 1947. Who designed Indian national flag? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Pingali Venkaiah, C. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. The national emblem, lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath, was adopted on A. January 26, 1952, B. January 26, 1950, C. August 15, 1947. The national emblem, lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath, was adopted on January 26, 1950. The motto on national emblem is A. Satyamev Jayate, B. Vande Mataram, C. Jai Hind. The motto on national emblem is Satyamev Jayate. The Indian national flag saffron color represents A. Peace and truth, B. Courage and sacrifice, C. Faith and chivalry. In the Indian national flag, saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. In the Indian national flag, white color represents peace and truth. B. Courage and sacrifice. C. Faith and chivalry. In the Indian national flag, white color represents peace and truth. In the Indian national flag, green color represents A. Peace and truth. B. Courage and sacrifice. C. Faith and chivalry. In the Indian national flag, green color represents faith and chivalry. How many spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra of Indian flag? A. 12, B. 16, C. 24. There are 24 spokes in Ashoka Chakra of Indian flag. Ashoka Chakra of Indian flag represents A. Wheel of law. B. Wheel of train. C. Wheel of bus. Ashok Chakra of Indian flag represents wheel of law. Animals on national emblem are A. Elephant, bull and horse. B. Asiatic lion, elephant, bull and horse. C. Bull and horse. Animals on national emblem are Asiatic lion, elephant, bull and horse. India got freedom from British on A. August 15, 1947. B. January 26, 1950. C. October 2, 1969. India got freedom from British on August 15, 1947. India celebrates Republic Day on A. 15 August, B. 26 January, C. 2nd October. India celebrates Republic Day on 26 January. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.